Hi, good people. It's your girl Wanjiro Lynette, and today we are heading to a cute spot in Thika called Thika Delmonte. I'm super excited because it's one of these days where we are just slowing down, catching up, and vibing with nature. I'm with my two amazing friends, and we're honestly just looking forward to talking, chilling, and maybe even playing few cards when we get there. No pressure, no plans, just good company and good vibes. We have just arrived at Thika Delmonte, and wow, the place is already giving such calm, relaxing vibes outside the busy vibes of town. Let's go in and see. Look at all this. You have a whole lineup of Del Monte pineapple juices in all sorts of flavors. And on the other side, you got pineapple straight from the farm, which are juicy, sweet, and affordable compared to what you buy in the supermarket. So, whatever you want to shop for fresh fruits, grab a chill juice or take something home. This shop has it all for you, and it's 100% authentic from the Del Monte farms here in Thika. So over here you have these open grasses areas for picnic, places for chilling. We also have few cozy sitting spots. If you don't want to be directly in the sun, you can come up here with your group chats and all that. So we decided to sit down and have our late lunch. After lunch, we got into a game of cards, and let me tell you, the energy was high. A different group actually joined us, and we ended up playing games together. It was so unplanned, but honestly, it was so fun, and everyone clicked naturally. Then, surprise, surprise, we found out it was one of our friend's birthday. And of course, we had to jump in. We all sang for her happy birthday, even if it wasn't planned. The moment was just genuine, pure love, pure joy, and connection. Later we danced a little with freaking stars, and actually it was crazy how a chill hangout turned into such a wholesome day with fun, laughter, and even a birthday moment we didn't see it coming. This is exactly why I love days like this. Just look at the mood. Until next time, it's love and light from Wanjiro Lynette. Stay soft, stay present. See you next time. Bye.